Day 60, my favorite day. Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my favorite day. My favorite day is Sunday. I like Sunday very much. On Sunday, I do not work. I wake up at late in the morning. I feel relaxed and happy. I have breakfast slowly at home. On this day, I spend time with my family. We talk together and laugh. Sometimes I visit my friends. Sometimes I watch TV or rest. Sunday is calm and quiet. I have me feel ready for a new week. Sunday is my favorite day. Thank you for listening.